Good morning, everyone. So I'm going to take web designing basics. So the web designing basics, introduction, objectives, web and overview, what is the website, and how to host your website, web hosting free and fee based, and step in web hosting. Important web issues we are going to discuss. So here introductions. Uh, It is delivering of goods in libraries is a phenomenon. The past one of 2 decades, the developments are principally digitation and related issues like online journals and other management and communication skills, including technical writing, e-publishing, and web-page posting, and institutional repositories and metadata standards and copyright issues on consortia approach and cooperation sharing, networking, storage and solutions, knowledge management, automation and standardizations and the like. So here all phenomena you can develop a website and maintain all accounts and then advertisement related all it's like e-publishing. So you can write a paper, uh, publish, sell your paper, automatically e-publish happens. And webpage posting. So using HTML and JavaScript, you are going to write a code, webpage code and a host. That is two-way webpage hosting. One is free, another one is database cost is here. The cost means you have to store the data to external database. So some cost available, you have to pay the cost and maintain your data. Here web has been playing a very crucial role in communication and delivering of information. The latest in this field has been applications of Web 2, Web 3. Web 2 is known as a library and user-centered web and where blogs and wikis and social network, multimedia application, dynamic programming script are being used for the collections and contributions and collaborations on the web. So the principle share the resources collectively and the emergence of Web 2 has placed in the hands of library new tools in modernizing library services. Like Web 3 also same. Here some points of various purpose of reasons of creations websites and gain good knowledge of websites is including the latest development in the field and learn how and ways of creating a functional websites. Here these are all objectives. Next one is web overview. So here web overview is beautiful communications mode of recent origin. Why means you developed a web page, developed website, and so that is in free of cost. You are hosted, so it is available in the internet. So it has turned out to increasingly improve the resources of uh, compassing all conceivable aspects of the human life like business, education, entertainment, governance, personal life, health and whatnot. Here, websites are posted by anyone, including the individuals. You can create, you can write a code individually and post. And organization, so some small organization, like your father is running business, so that organization you can develop a small website and post. Business enterprise. So like your father is doing some uh, enterprise, business enterprise, consultancy, you can develop a HTML, JavaScript, develop a code and host. And voluntarily organizations, many organizations are there. Textile is there, another business, it is purchasing online, cloth purchasing, wholesale purchasing, etc. etc. You can develop website, the HTML and the JavaScript code and post in the internet. Here, the websites are free. Some are free, fee based, and in case later the access to some of all the content are restricted by password, such include business and automatic journals, and then academic journals and entertainment websites. Here, the sharing but finding out about other individuals, their cultural interest. So in before that, it is a personal website. So you can create your personal website and put your all the academic related work. So you are every year you are doing projects. Then every year you are attending some conference from other college, some symposia from other college. That everything you can type in the word format, and or otherwise website is itself you can post your information. It is very useful at the time of interview final years. If you go to, if you final year, no, you have to attend many company, MNC company. So that time you tell where so I am hosted one more websites, personal websites like the business websites. Here commercial enterprise make get uses of web, promote their business and publish their product. So like textile, many products are there. You can make a good use of web and promote the business and service to millions of potential customers globally at no extra cost for this additional target and audience that emerge from time to time. And 7 days a week, various languages as they choose. The web pages put into use of multimedia. Some graphical designs is needed, then you do graphical design, and you can at the time of development of web pages, no, you can directly put the link. So advertisement everywhere you see original product. So that color also, so including color, cloth color they need, no, cloth color you can particularly mention, no extra cost. So it is a graphical development, or you take photo and that link is there, no? So that link you put it in your website development. So writing code, no, HTML, JavaScript. They can upload price and latest news and faster, easier, and at much faster rate compared to browsers and leaflets traditionally used. For business development, what are the requirements needed? That everything you can develop website. The web pages of other smaller products or advertisement or advertising campaigns can be linked to their page. And the web pages is also used as a extra outlets for sales. The website plays all big or small on equal footing as the reach one web is uh, good as that of any competitor. The business commercial websites are freely accessible to all. Freely accessible to all. Organizing now. So the web promoters, their causes like educational, social issues, health issues matter. For instance, take the case of MP board. It is an open university who objective of promotions of education. Open university means they are educating through web only. The users websites to reach out the students, their parents, and teaching the staff community. The web pages functions as much superior and cheaper alternative to the brochure informing about the university, location, organization structure, centers, and department available, admission intake, what are the programs available, what are the benefits of doing this, joining this program. So the last news, it is pertaining to exam result and timetable and admission and convocation and circular to the staff made available on the websites and advertisement and tender notice. Find the web as the most favorable locations which at the time provide for applying online. So the websites web server. So website is hosted on at least one web server. They are accessible via network such as internet or private local area network. So local area network is very important. IP address also it is very important. The website is site or set of files stored in the World Wide Web. So this is very important point. It is viewed with browser like Microsoft Internet, Firefox, Google Chrome. So each web site it contains a home page. So and additional documents and files also available there. The site are owned and managed by individuals or organizations or companies to promote their interests. The page of websites can usually be accessed from the home page or otherwise called uniform resource locations. That is URL. URL is unified resource locator. So you can find out URL for any link. So any link. So that URL is very important for the website. It is usually accessed from the home page or otherwise it is called uniform resource. So in this protocol is that easier link one document to another document and their link from huge web of connected information. The web is an capable of linking text and materials stored elsewhere in the internet. For example, let us take the web page of IGNOU. So it is an Indira Gandhi National Open University. So while clicking the schools in the main pages, you are taking another page in the same websites listing different schools. So the Open University they are educating through web only regional websites. So regional websites it is educating through all it is in web based. It is all the information it is stored into the web server. So of regional center located in various parts of India and link connected to immutable text, audio and virtual multimedia based education. So here, so it is the title is the browser based explanation. So in this browser based